Nick, 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 Nick. Nickelodeon. Nick, 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 Nick. Nickelodeon.
Hello, folks. We're just outside of Little Falls, traveling US Highway 10, going south, and we have a train coming our way.
Or is it your imagination?
It's not my imagination. Yes, they are. They're coming back from the Becker power plant.
Are they going north to the North Pole?
No.
I thought maybe they're bringing
to
them
Montana.
Oh, I thought they were bringing
to
them
get
south.
refilled. And there's the engine on the end coming up. And that's going to be it. We're on US Highway 10 coming into Rice, Minnesota, and we have another train coming our way.
Can that be like gift holders?
No.
No. Maybe like guest star?
Not really. I see a Burlington Northern unit on the train. That's not very nice, the graffiti locomotives.
Yeah. They don't go the wrong way.
No, they seem to go the right way.
I'm trying to catch up.
It's a high priority freight. I don't know about that.
Cheerios. That one's got some more chocolate sauce. That one's got oatmeal.
Alright, that's going to be it. We're chasing a train off of US Highway 10. And it's a windmill train.
That's what you meant by windmill train. It's got big blades on it for a windmill. Okay.
Yep. Parts for a wind turbine.
Boxcars. I'm going, what do you see? I don't see anything.
Well, folks, this is your last chance to see the trains in the daylight. Yeah, they do.
Holy cow, they're big.
Normally, Canadian Pacific would carry them. But this is a huge pipe blades.
Yeah.
Canadian Pacific carries the pipe loads.
Big turbine blades for the wind generator. Oh my god, look how big they are.
Yeah.
They're 2.5 cars long each.
Yeah, you'd think.
You're not going very fast either.
So that, yeah, so that means we're catching up.
We're probably gonna go this late at night so it doesn't get too windy to drive.
Oh yeah.
Wind would blow those trains right over with those big things.
Possibly, but I'm not 100% sure.
I'm about 39% positive.
Looks like we're catching up to the engines already.
Yeah. We'll catch them. Let's get them, Lucas.
Wait, there's another train we're chasing. We're chasing 2 trains.
Is the train in front of that one?
Yeah. We're gonna have follow-up trains.
Well, they can't follow each other that close.
Yeah, they can.
They're on 2 tracks. One's on one track and the other's on the other track, see that?
Yeah, I know. This is the double-track railway.
They're racing each other.
Yep.
Oh, we got one!
We're at 1. Now we're chasing the other train off of US Highway 10 going north.
Hey man, what'd you catch me for? Hold on. Ah, we got the other one.
We got the first one, now it's the other one.
Both are chasing each other. Let's go. Get him up, little doggy. This one's going slow. No wonder the other one caught it.
I don't know about that. Looks like this one just came off from the power station. I don't know.
I'll catch you before Little Falls.
Yeah.
You said you were going to see 3 on the way home. That's 2.
Yeah.
I mean, part gypsy or something? Got a crystal ball laying around or something?
I'm not a gypsy. It's just a guess.
There he is.
And we caught that one too. And that is going to be it. We are traveling along US Highway 10, and we have a train coming our way as we are coming up to Rice. Well, I should say another train coming our way.
That's 3, and Curtis is a gypsy.
No,
We thought
I'm not a gypsy.
we'd see 3 on the way home.
Wait a minute.
Yeah.
1 there, 1 there. 3, that's about 5 now.
How many did you see today?
Including Canadian Pacific. Oh, no way. I see a 75I leading the train.
Some of that cheap lumber from Canada.
No. That'll be on the Canadian Pacific line.
Oh, that's the cheap lumber from Oregon.
Who knows?
They don't have much left after those forest fires.
Yeah, not much.
You better stop cutting them down.
No.
We need them to make oxygen for the planet.
That's actually not true. This drought has to actually end. Otherwise, there'll be more forest fires.
Yeah.
Okay, that's going to be it.